Shopify has just turned ChatGPT into a sales channel, and most e-com store owners have no idea that this has just happened. And I'm not talking about some future update that's going to be released at the end of the year. I'm talking about a feature that's just been released that allows customers to be able to buy your products through ChatGPT or Microsoft or any other AI LLMs. Let's say, for example, somebody goes on Gemini and types in the best compression socks for people in their 60s. Gemini will show them, or OpenAI will show them in the chat, some options from active Shopify Agentic stores. Having your products ranked for search phrases and search terms inside of LLMs. And the best thing is, to set this up, it's not hard. Shopify technically do most of the work for you. You just need to make some tweaks and add a few extras that I'm about to show you. And the craziest part is 90% of e-com store owners have no idea this has happened, and they've not enabled this in their store. You're literally leaving free money on the table. So if you want to get ahead of everyone else in 2026 that will only find this out later in the year, then you're in the right place. Now, what I've done to even make your chances of ranking inside of LLMs even higher is I've actually created a checklist that you can follow to make sure you've optimized everything to the highest level, so you've got the best chances of ranking inside of LLMs for different search phrases. So you guys can get access to my checklist once we've hit 50 likes on this video. It'll be linked in the description and in the pinned comment. With that being said, guys, let me show you step by step how you can do this for your own Shopify e-com store right now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is show you guys the official documentation from Shopify. Now, this is on their website. It's called Shopify Agentic e-commerce handle. Now, it says here, instantly syndicate your products to AI chats and let shoppers check out in conversations. No Shopify online store required. And like I said, it's not hard to set up. So if we go over to Shopify, now if you haven't got a Shopify store or you plan on getting one, make sure you sign up to Shopify using my link in the description and in the pinned comment, because it does support the channel, guys. All this crazy free value that I'm giving you. If you want to support the channel, just use the Shopify link for whenever you create a store or make a new store. Okay, with that being said, if you come over to your Shopify store and you look underneath sales channel, you're going to see this new tab here called Agentic. You should see it here. If you don't see it, then your store isn't currently available for it, or you're not in a country and region that supports it yet. And then you're gonna see it says AI agents have sent more than 7 shoppers to your store in the last 30 days. So it'll tell you your current analytics. You can see here on the right, it says allow Shopify to manage for me. You're gonna wanna make sure this is turned on, guys. If this isn't turned on, technically yours isn't working. And the craziest thing is, your store's been already giving data to these LLMs without you knowing about it. The issue is, it's not optimized to get the most discovery. And that's what we're going to be doing in this video, making sure that your store is optimized so that you rank in the LLM. And then you're also going to see relevant searches as well. I can choose which preview I want it to use. So I can use ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot. Now, there will be more LLMs being added over time. So if we just do ChatGPT, it's going to add it in for me as the phrase. I'm going to click send. This is an example of how it would work for my store. I sell modest fashion dresses, so this is an example of how it would work for me. So you can see the prompt is find me silk max dress, long sleeve and modest. Genuinely true silk long sleeve maxi. And you can see here, it's showing me here the examples of what I could potentially buy. So you can see it's like a catalog inside of the LLM, and this one's ChatGPT. Now, if I click on this, you can see it opens up the window on the right-hand side. So that's just an example of how this looks and how it works. And the goal is to make sure that I rank inside of this catalog as much as possible. Now, before we get into the next part of today's video, I just wanted to tell you guys something really important. I've been in e-commerce now for over 10 years. Now, since then, I've been able to generate over $50 million in e-commerce and dropshipping revenue. But the reason why I've been able to survive and become so successful was because of what I was able to adopt. And that's extremely important, because when the game changes, you constantly need to learn how to adopt. And unfortunately, most people don't. And right now, the game of dropshipping and e-commerce has changed again. AI has completely rewritten how e-commerce and dropshipping works. And that is the exact reason why I've rebuilt my one-on-one mentoring program. This is actually a hands-on mentorship where we work with you one-to-one. We actually show you how to use AI to the highest levels. And that's just just the beginning of AI. Inside the mentorship, I'm going to be showing you the exact ways I do my product research on autopilot using AI, how to build multiple agents to do it for you, how to build a Shopify store that actually converts and looks like a legitimate brand, how to create ad creatives that go viral and get good click-through rates, hook rates, and CTR. And then most importantly, how to create profitable ads and creatives. And the most important thing of them all is real feedback, because AI gives you the speed, but mentorship, and especially one-to-one mentorship, gives you that direction. I have just reopened applications so you guys can now apply. So click the link in the description to apply for the one-on-one mentorship. I'm gonna be honest, guys, this will sell out extremely fast. So make sure you apply as soon as you can if you feel like it's right for you. There'll also be a QR code on the screen. But if you want to learn the best of the best when it comes to AI for e-commerce and dropshipping, this is the best place. So now I've shown you guys an example of how it works and where to find your agentic side in your Shopify store. It's very important that you've got your catalog turned on. And it's also important that you download something called Shopify Knowledge Base. So if you click this, it's going to take you to the App Store because you haven't got it. Now, because I've already got this on my store, you're going to see it's here and active. Now, these are one of the things that you need to make sure you've got on your store. And whilst I'm talking about that, I've also given you guys this checklist. You can see it's got 31 steps that you need to complete. Now, this is the checklist that I've designed for every single one of you to use. Now, when you come to the checklist, I can enable all of these because I've done them. And then it says here, fix your catalog mapping. Open the Shopify catalog mapping. For each product, check the AI feed preview, shows a full title, description, and category. So what I'm gonna now do is I'm gonna go back to Shopify, I'm gonna go to products, I'm gonna go to my product, I'm then gonna scroll all the way down, and you're gonna wanna make sure your category meta fields have been added correctly. Now this is very, very important. Now, the reason why this is very, very important is because if these category meta fields aren't filled out correctly, then this is the information that gets passed along to the LLM. So Shopify will pass this information across to the LLM. So if you don't have your sizing, then if somebody asks for, is it in large or extra large, and yours isn't filled in properly, you won't rank. If you don't tell it the fabric, silk, if you don't tell it the age group, or you don't tell it the instructions or dress occasion, you can see I've done party, formal, wedding, religious. And then you can see if I scroll down underneath product meta fields, I've also added a product short description, size guide, PDB sizing tab, and a PDB details tab. Now, if I click view all, you're gonna see all the ones that I've added. Now, obviously I'm selling a dress, so this is more for what my product is. You need to do yours based on what your product is. I can now check all of these off. Is your description short? You can see here, yep. Map the AI feed, yep, I can do that. And then where it says categorize every item, in each product admin, you need to find your category and you need to make sure you've done it. Now I've done all of these so I can tick them off. And then you need to build your knowledge base. Now the knowledge base is this application. Now you can see here, this is the store's FAQ, and you wanna make sure that you fill all of these out. It will actually give you a suggestion. So this tab here will show loads of suggestions of what you should fill out based on your store. Now, because I've filled out all of these, mine ain't showing because they've already been done. The ones that have been done, guys, are the ones in the bottom. You're gonna see default and you're gonna see custom. So the ones that I've done based on default and the ones that I've done. You can actually add as many FAQs as you want. There's no restrictions to how many you do, but you don't want to go over the top either. You're going to want to make sure that you fill all of those out, guys. And if you're not sure which ones to add, you can open up OpenAI and ask it, I'm using a knowledge base for Shopify. Will I add any more custom FAQs? And it will give you a list if it thinks so. Now we can go back to the checklist and tick all of these off. I've done every single one of them. And then the most important one is enhancing your LLM TXT file. Now, the best way to do this is to use an app. Now, I'm not sponsored or endorsed by this company. The app that I'm using is I'm using FCEO AI. Again, I'm not sponsored or affiliated by them. It's the app that I've been using for my stores that I've found the best results in. And the great news for you guys is it's actually completely free to use them. And they do have a free trial to their paid tiers. So you can see here, once you've opened up FCEO AI, you're gonna see your dashboard. You need to complete your AI setup. So you just need to do each one of these. And then you can do analyze prompts. So you can analyze a new prompt. So you can see if you've got visibility for different prompts. So you can see the prompt here and the visibility level and the LLM. So you can see in this LLM, I'm not found. In this LLM, ChatGPT, I'm not found. Whereas here, best UK modest fashion brands for occasion dresses, I'm ready. I can be ranked #1 for this. So you can see which phrases your LLM is ready in, which ones are being found and which ones aren't. So if you click view details, it's going to show me why I'm not found. So then I can view the response as well to make sure that I'm optimizing for it. And I can create a custom prompt too to see if I'm ranking for it. You got AI Visibility Hub, so this shows you your visibility. So you can see here, my AI visibility, my score, my share voice, and my prominence. You can see traffic analytics as well. Then you've got your actionable insights. So these are things that you need to be doing. So you can see I've got a massive list of things that I need to finish off. Product optimizations. So you can see my AI optimization score on this product is 95%. So make sure you're using this to do the following things on the checklist, which is LLM TXT files. So we can mark all of this off. And we can also see here where it says turn on structured data. We can do that through the app. Now, if you're not going to be using the app, you manually have to do this, and it's very confusing and very hard. That's why I'm saying just use an app, because unless you're a developer or you've got very good technical skills, it's very, very hard. And then what you can do is verify it's working. Now, don't expect instant results straight away, guys. It's just like SEO back in the day. It will take time to rank. It will take time for you to start appearing in the LLM's search results. But as long as you are optimizing and you are doing the ongoing tasks that SEO tells you to do, the more likely you are to start ranking. And it's better to get used to this now, because eventually they will roll out ads where you can now be an ad inside of OpenAI or other LLMs. And this is a great way to start learning about the process. So with that being said, guys, that is the new Shopify Agentic feature. Let me know if you already knew about this, and let me know if this has been a great video because you now know about it and you're starting to use it. With that being said, guys, I'll check you on the next video.